How to set a background image in HTML. If you want to add an image to a web page, all you need is HTML and CSS. You will use both HTML and CSS to set an image as a web page background. You will also need the image that you want to use as a background. Step 1. Creating the folder. To make things clear and organized, create a folder to add your HTML file and background image. Right-click anywhere in the desktop, click New, then Folder. Name your folder. Step 2. Put the image file into the folder. Copy the image file you want to use as a background to the folder. For example, this is my image that I want to use as a background. I can simply drag and drop this image onto this folder, or I can copy and paste this file inside the folder. Copy and paste. Step 3. Write HTML code. You can use Notepad to create HTML files. The simplest way to add an image to a web page as a background is to use CSS code inside the body tag. Open Notepad so that we can type the HTML code. For that, you can simply double click this Notepad icon, or you can go to the Start menu, All Programs, Accessories, and Notepad, or you can start it from this icon. Double click it. Now type the HTML code. All of the HTML documents start with this HTML declaration code. Now the HTML tag. Now the head tag. Close the head tag. Now the body tag, and close the body tag. And close the HTML tag. So we want to put an image as a background in our web page, so we have to put the CSS code inside this body tag. Type style is equal to commas and background dash image and URL bracket commas and commas and bracket close and semicolon. So this is the basic code that we need to use to set an image as a background. In this area you have to type the URL of your image. So as I am using this image, I have to type the name of the image, how-to.jpg. JPG is the extension of the image. And now go to File, click Save, choose the folder where you want to save. I want to save in this file inside this folder, web folder. Choose it, give a name to your file. For example, I give my web page, and now type the HTML extension. Now the most important thing is to change this to all file, and if you did not change this, the file will save as a text file. So always change this to all file and click save. So this is our HTML files output, the web page that we just created. And to view the result, simply double click it. So this is the result of our code. I will show you the code. This is the code for background image, and this is the result. Okay, so let's see the output again. As you can see, the image is repeating again and again. So we want to use only one time this image for a background. For that we have to change the code, open the code file, and next to this semicolon put a space and type this new code. Background dash repeat and no dash repeat, and again semicolon. Now save the change and refresh this page. So we have this single image as a background, but if you want to fill the entire place with this image, you have to use another code. So open again this code and give another space. Now type this code again, background dash size and space and type cover and semicolon. What this will do, it will cover the entire page with the image. Save this code again and open the output file and refresh. So here we have an image that is covering the entire background. Okay, so bring this code to the head section if you want to use a style option inside the head. First create a style, style, and now close this style. Now what you do is copy this code from, simply delete this area style and copy this code till the semicolon, cut and paste it inside the style. Now take the another piece of the code till the semicolon, cut and paste it next to this code, and now take this piece of code and cut and paste it inside this style. Remove this comma and now bring this bracket up to this body section, and now put as opening curly bracket here and a closing curly bracket here, and here you can type the area where you want to apply the background. So I want to apply the background to the body section. Simply type body and click save and refresh this result, and you will see the same results as we have with the other code. Okay, so now to view this code in an online editor, HTML editor, this is our online HTML editor, you simply have to copy this entire code and paste this code into this code section, or you can type the entire code by yourself. So here you can see a blank page. This is because the image we are using here is an offline image. For this purpose we need to have an online image. I have this online image, the same image we use in an offline version. So simply copy this URL and paste this URL inside this area, paste, and here you have the result. So for online editor you need to have an online image that you can give the path, but for offline you can use a image that is on your computer. But if you change the path of the image from the web page file, for example this is my image and this is my web page file, if I change the location I will get an error. So let me delete this image from this folder, and now let me refresh this offline version, and as you can see there is no image because the image is not there where the HTML file is. Even I have this image on my desktop, but this web page cannot access because the path is wrong. So you can bring your images into one folder and refresh it again. So this is how you can put a background image by using HTML. Hopefully you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel for more useful videos. There are tons of other settings that you can apply. For now, it's a simple process how you can put an image inside your HTML page. Hopefully you like the video. Please subscribe the channel. Take care.